Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my channel, NEET Concept Clear. Being NEET aspirant, time is more precious to you. So, without wasting your time, we'll move on to the concept. Today, we'll discuss about hypothalamus, which is treated as a supreme commander of a endocrine system. Why do we consider it as a supreme commander? Because it regulates a wide spectrum of body functions. Clear. And coming to the location is at the basal part of diencephalon. Here you can see in the picture, hypothalamus is located at the basal part of the diencephalon. Diencephalon is the part of forebrain, which includes the thalamus and hypothalamus. Here also you can see the location of the hypothalamus in the forebrain. Next, hypothalamus contains several groups of neurosecretory cells which are called as nuclei. These neurosecretory cells produce hormones that regulate the synthesis and secretion of pituitary hormones. Neurosecretory cells, I can show you in the picture. This is the picture given in the NCERT. Hypothalamic neurons are the neurosecretory cells or nuclei. They induce the pituitary gland to synthesize and release pituitary hormones. Right, here in this picture also hypothalamic neurons are very clear. See Nana, hypothalamic neurons present in the hypothalamus, which are also called as neurosecretory cells. Clear. The hormones produced by hypothalamus are of two main types. What are the two different types of hypothalamic hormones? One is releasing hormone that induces the release of gonadotropins. Next, inhibiting hormones. Releasing hormones stimulates the secretion of pituitary hormones. For example, gonadotropins. Gonadotropins are of two: follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. These two are the gonadotropins. Right? GnRH stimulates the synthesis of pituitary hormone and release of gonadotropins. Coming to the inhibiting hormones, these hormones inhibits the secretion of pituitary hormones. The best example is somatostatin. He gave NCERT. Somatostatin inhibits the release of growth hormones from the pituitary gland. Right? Two different types of hypothalamic hormones. One is